Okay, first we're going to start off with your name, occupation, and where you're from.
Okay. My name is Mitch Harrion. I'm a political scientist by training, and I'm from Norfolk, Nebraska.
How do you make class more interesting for your students?
Well, I don't necessarily teach in a classroom. I teach online is where my class occurs. I've been teaching this class, it's Nebraska Government and Politics, for many years, 10 or 12 years probably. I used to teach it in the classroom, but it's been online for a decade probably. The class was online before COVID, so it's kind of interesting that I think the class was online. I think a lot of professors have passed me up now in terms of their use of Zoom and other technologies and things like that.
Yeah.
I try to do my best to keep it interesting for students by bringing in current events. Even though it's online, I encourage students to come in and talk to me, and a lot of them do.
Yeah.
And probably the most interesting thing we do each semester is students write a paper. Every semester, it seems like I get a couple honor students that'll come write a paper, a really good research paper. So,
what do you find most fulfilling in building relationships with your students?
Well, here where I work, Bureau of Business Research, we have a lot of really good students that actually work on applied projects for us. So it's not in a classroom setting, but we work with different agencies and nonprofits here in Nebraska. We do a lot of data analytics. So in my work here at the Bureau, the most rewarding thing I do is work with students on, again, applied projects where they can learn to use statistical techniques, data management techniques to apply those lessons learned to real life problems for outside organizations.
Why did you choose political science?
That's a good question. When I was an undergrad, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, like a lot of students probably. But I chose political science because I got really interested in government and politics, I guess. I knew I liked arts and sciences of some sort.